Welcome to our unboxing video of the KHF series high precision Bluetooth Coulomb meter. Today, we will show you this highly anticipated new product. Let's take a look at its packaging, accessories, and the product itself together. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging of this battery Coulomb meter adopts a colorful box design, which looks very stylish and high-end. When you open the box, you will see that the internal packaging uses pearl cotton material, which can protect the product very well. Next, let's take a look at the product itself. This battery Coulomb meter comes with a beginner's guide. The display module uses a black and silver color scheme and has a simple and stylish appearance. It adopts an inlay design and is easy to install. The measurement module is small and has installation holes on both sides. The sampler is designed with a new protective casing, which can effectively reduce external interference on the Coulomb meter. Finally, let's take a look at the product accessories. The items packed in a self-sealing bag include 3P green wire connectors, 4P ribbon cables, 3P relay wires, and a temperature sensor. On the side of the pearl cotton, there is a 5-metered display module communication cable. These accessories can help users better use the product and provide a more perfect user experience. Overall, this battery Coulomb meter has a beautiful appearance, powerful functions, rich accessories, and exquisite packaging design. We believe that it will become an essential tool for electronic enthusiasts and professional users.